Solid-state drives, or SSD, are becoming the storage medium of choice due to their high-speed performance and low latency. However, before enterprises can fully embrace SSD, factors such as storage capacity, price, and durability must be closely evaluated. QNAP's all-flash solution comes equipped with the powerful data reduction capabilities of a ZFS file system and includes multiple SSD optimization technologies, which greatly optimizes both SSD performance and durability.
With 4K random read performance of up to 661,000 IOPS and low latency.
Inline data compression, compaction, and deduplication streamlines data before it is written, significantly reducing the number of SSD writes and helping to extend drive lifespan while optimizing storage utilization.
QNAP's patented QSAL algorithm can prevent simultaneous SSD failures, assisting in avoiding RAID damage, optimizing data writing, and improving data protection.
By combining these technologies, SSD lifespans will significantly improve and ensure stable operations of critical tasks. QNAP's all-flash solution also comes with optimized data transfer technologies. With PCIe Gen 4 expansion, a 100 gigabit Ethernet network card or 32 gigabit fiber channel expansion card can be installed to greatly increase application performance and system potential. With the ICER-supported SmartNIC network expansion card, it can enhance the performance of VMware virtualized applications and reduce latency. Are you still hesitating about deployment costs? Using QNAP all-flash storage solution without paying extra system license fees can help save up to 50% of the total cost for enterprises. QNAP's all-flash solution ensures efficient storage and ultimate performance for enterprise-level applications and services.